Yo, super short video for you today, just for fun. I thought I would take the Canon R5 and unbox the two lenses that I picked up to try with it. Today we got the 24-70, love that thing, and the 70-200. This is what I've been most excited about. Let's go. Let's start with the 24-70. This is my first time trying out these specific RF glass lenses, so get a little case with it. Pretty nice carrying pouch. I'll probably use this. Get some information, and let's see what else. So specifically, I've tested the 35mm RF lens, and I think I've tried the 24-105. But the new Trinity, this 70-200, the 24-70, and I think I will also test out the 15-35. We'll see. Tulip lens hood, plastic, you know, normal stuff. Ooh, this thing is heavy. I was not expecting this. I actually wish that I remember how heavy the G Master 24-70 is, because this thing is heavy, man. It has image stabilization, which is awesome. I've been waiting for that. So this is a 24-70 F2.8 image stabilized, pretty awesome. You have an autofocus manual focus switch, and you have a stabilizer switch, which is pretty awesome too for when you want to turn it off, because sometimes you actually do. Ooh, I like that. So they have a lock ring right here, so it won't slide, right? So you can keep it. And unfortunately, you can only lock it at 24. So pretty cool to still have that feature though. I'm all for extra features. Dang. Front glass element, 82mm. Make sure you get the correct filters. Ah, that RF lens, man. I really like the new RF mount. So I'm shooting on the red Komodo right now, and I actually really love that that thing's an RF mount lens. So even if I don't keep the R5, I've been looking into some RF glass, so that's why I'm making this video. Let's check out the 70-200. This is just a quick unboxing video, some first impressions just for fun. This RF 70-200 is what I have been most excited about. Again, get a carrying pouch, a lot larger this time. Some information. Ooh, I cannot wait. Oh my. Do you guys see this? Okay, let me put that to the side. Let me pull out the lens hood. Yo. Okay. That is a nice lens hood. And it's got a little filter door. Nobody ever knows what this is for. This is for your filters, like variable NDs, to be able to twist it. That feels good right there. And that's all that comes inside the box. Let's open up the lens. One of my favorite lenses to use, especially for weddings and events, is the 70-200. But I always hated how freaking long they were. I didn't mind the weight because it's a 70-200 lens, but the length of it was just, the size of it, so annoying. Look at this. Do you see this? The 70-200 and the 24-70 are almost the exact same size. Literally off by like half an inch. That's crazy. Oh, that front glass looks good. Oh my goodness. And it's actually smaller than this one in terms of the front element. This is only 77mm. So 70. Oh, it's got a lock also. Lock at 70. I'm one of the people that do not at all mind that this is an extending barrel. I actually love it because it makes the size of this so much smaller. Oh, I love this. To be honest, out of all the RF glass, this was the one I was most excited for, and I'm highly curious if I can use it as a top-down shot. My ceilings are high enough. I think I have 9-foot ceilings or 10-foot ceilings, so I'm really curious because if so, I would love to have this lens, use it as a top-down shot. It's got such good compression, so I'd use it for photos, travel. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. This one specifically, even more than this guy. Cannot wait to test these ones. And yes, I want to try to get in the 15-35 also, so I have the full Trinity for you guys to test. But this was just a quick unboxing video of these two lenses. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, comment, like. Look at it, even with the lens hood on, it's still not that big. But this looks amazing. I want to mount this to my camera right now. Oh my God, that feels so good. Oh, why do you have to overheat? Look at that. So satisfying. And I know this is a tripod mount, but I would love when I'm traveling to carry it like this as a little handle. I would probably actually put it up top. And even for video, this has stabilization built in also, but if I flip this to the top, to be able to hold it almost as like a top handle would actually be super dope. Okay, let's try to mount it to the 24-72, and I think I'll end the video there. This is by no means a review. Please keep that in mind. Let's try it out. Oh, don't you just love that too? I forgot about that. The R5, it closes the shutter so it protects your sensor. That is genius. I think all cameras should have that feature. What the? Guys, this literally feels just as heavy as the 24-70. So I am so curious to see if the 15-35 is also this heavy. I think I'm just gonna go look up the specs like I always tell you guys to. So I'm curious because this does not feel like a fun vlogging rig. This feels no lighter than my 1DX Mark II. So I want to pump out more videos for you guys. So drop a comment below. Let me know what else you want to see besides camera gear. You can also suggest other things, and I'll do my best to make that happen.